Jai Siaram. Welcome to Spoken English with Hitesh Shukla. Let's discuss one more topic. There is one chapter in 12th Commerce, English. Chapter first. Can you install love? Over here, there is a deep discussion about love. And it's very good. If possible, you read once. In this chapter, there is a matter of loving yourself. Generally, what happens with us that we are not happy just because we do not love ourselves. When I don't love myself, I don't care about me. I do not care about my mind because I don't love my mind. I do not care about my brain because I am not happy with my brain. I am not getting that much marks. I am not getting that kind of the result that I want. So when I am not getting something from my mind, I don't love my mind. I don't love my brain. If my body is not beautiful, if my body is not attractive, if my body is not healthy, I don't love even my body. And I don't love my soul also. So, loving yourself is a very much important. The chapter says that don't criticize yourself always. Don't think and don't talk about your negative points to yourself and others. Everybody has some and some negative points. There is nobody perfect in the world, as Sant says. So why should we always think about our negative points? First of all, we should accept our mind. We should accept our brain. We should accept our body. And we should accept our soul. When we love our soul, there is a self-confidence. When we love our mind, we start having the control on it, because mind cannot be controlled by power. Mind is one of the most powerful thing in the world. We cannot control mind by force. We can control mind by love only. So, the main concept of love is, first of all, love yourself. If you love yourself, you will love others. Think about yourself. Care your mind, care your body, care your brain, and care your soul. If I am healthy, if I am happy, I can make somebody happy. If I am joyful, if I am peaceful, I will spread it to someone. But if I am not happy, if I am not joyful, if I don't enjoy myself, what will people will get from my surroundings? So that is the key point. When I am not satisfied with myself, when I am not satisfied with my mind, when I am not satisfied with my body, when I am not satisfied with my brain, I start doing jealousy. And that jealousy destroys me. We always do comparison. And when there is a comparison, there is always minus and plus point. Good and bad. Success and failure. And that is why the chapter says that first of all, accept yourself. Love yourself first. If you are, then everyone is there. If you trouble yourself, if you disturb yourself, If you don't care yourself, how will you care others? How will you help others? And everybody must know this one, that you are the creator of your own world. You create yourself. So if you are happy, if you are healthy, if you are joyful, if you are peaceful, you will create such kind of atmosphere around you. So love is the most powerful thing in the world. What Santo always tells, love is God. God is love, love is God. Even Ramcharitmanas says, Rama hi keval prem pyara. Over here there is a matter of love. There is not a matter of lust. To love myself, to love others, there is no requirement of sensuality or sexuality. This kind of thing is not required over here. So love is the most powerful thing. Love yourself. Jai Siya Ram.